Hello there, I hope you are doing so fine. Well, this is the part 1 of the video in which regarding this OLED display that is 0.91 inch, and this only has a flex ribbon cable with 1 to 14 pin out on both sides, and there is 1306 integrated circuit for driving OLED inside. And for this 14 pin flex cable there is a breakout board available, but that is not available for purchase. The OLED and the breakout board come in a package, but that one costs around $3, but this one costs perhaps around 0.5 to $1. And as I removed the sticking here, there it is written here NFP 1306. Let me zoom here. It is NFP 1306. Well, traditionally it is SSD 1306, but here it is NFP, so I think so that it is something related to flex cable, and the driving IC is the same 1306. Now for this 14 pin flex cable, it is without the pinout board. It can be used in both SPI interface, SPI, and the I2C. So here is the circuit diagram by Hugatri's Hacky Vlog. I will share the YouTube channel here. He has shared how to use it in the I2C mode, very detailed. And see, if you see the data sheet of this OLED display, you will come to know that which pin is stands where. So this is the Hugatri's hack vlog. I say that you must search for this 128x32 I2C OLED and say how what he want to say in 3 to 4 minutes. So the second part of the video will come where I will make the breakout board, and with minimum components, less components than Hugatri's, I will make it work. So stay tuned for the second part.